Hello everyone. My name is Thomas Kim. My Korean name is Kim Chang-hee or Chang-hee Kim. A few years ago, I desperately wanted to implement Jacobian matrix, whose elements are all functions. And I claimed once we can implement Jacobian matrix, whose elements are all functions, then we can implement almost all algorithms in C++. Because vector calculus deals with orthogonal coordinate system. Cartesian coordinate system is orthogonal. Polar coordinates, circular cylindrical coordinates, spherical coordinates, all are orthogonal coordinate system. But not all coordinate systems are orthogonal. More generic, more generalized coordinate system is not orthogonal. To deal with not orthogonal coordinate system, we need metric tensor. Once we implement generalized generic metric tensor, we can easily implement Christoffel symbol, also Riemann-Curvature tensor. My point is, once we implement generalized metric tensor, we can implement almost all algorithms or mathematical objects in C++. Once you can implement all these mathematical tools, learning tensor calculus is much simpler and easier than vector calculus. Most people regard tensor calculus is extremely advanced or hard to understand. But from my perspective, that's not true. That's absolutely not true. Speaking from my personal experience, vector calculus is far more challenging, much more challenging than tensor calculus. That is my personal opinion. Approximately 8 or 10 months ago, I implemented generic metric tensor. But at the time, my implementation supported only type double, nor complex numbers. So, approximately 8 or 10 months ago, I made up my mind that I will create tensor class that supports not only type double, but also complex numbers, as well as multi-precision, arbitrary multi-precision tensor class. Yesterday, I successfully implemented such metric tensor class. To celebrate myself, I created a song titled Lone Adventure.
I follow curves where space-time bends. Equations flow, they have no end. Tensors whisper softly aligned, drawing the shape of space and time. Through roots of unity I chase the night. FFT sparks in spectral light. Coefficients sing a cosmic song. I've walked this path alone so long. But space-time calls, it sings to me. Horizons curve infinity. Through dark and void I calculate. My journey waits, it won't abate. Oh, space-time calls, it sings to me. Journey secret sign, a hidden truth in complex time. Energy weaves, momentum streams, gravity dances in spectral dreams. Through every spark, equation and flame, I carve my path and write my name. All space-time calls, it sings to me. Horizons curve, infinity. Through dark and void, my F-50 unfolds the song of destiny.
This is my Korean YouTube channel. IQ95, the Homo Lamarckians. Scroll down. You can find Complex Analysis, GMP, this playlist. From this playlist, I assume you have watched all my previous videos, starting with episode 001. To follow my current and future sessions, you have to watch all my videos starting with episode 001, Setup, C++ GMP, Complex Analysis, Initialization, Literals, Memory Leak Check. Watching this video, I assume you have set up C++ GMP library, and I assume you have watched my previous videos, especially title starting with the setup. It means I make some changes to system settings. If you don't make changes to your system settings, my C++ implementation may not build properly on your machine. Select episode 115. In episode 115, I explained how to implement tensor class. I also discussed operable functions, Moore-Penrose inverse, induced matrix, call redirect. I assume you have watched my previous videos. Otherwise, it might be challenging for you to follow my current and future sessions. Download source code. Click this link. Show in folder. In the download folder, extract it. In this folder, rename 016 matrix tensor. Copy the folder, paste it in your working directory. Now open up Visual Studio Code. Complex Analysis. Select Matrix Tensor. Click this button. Matrix Tensor.cpp. Hit Enter. Ctrl V. Close Welcome window. I will copy and paste it here. Go up. Today is August 30th, 2025. If you want to follow my current and future session, you need up-to-date GMP library, the version at the time of filming video. Because this GMP library is under active development, I can change the design of this library, also the interface. If you watch this video sometime later and this code does not build, then you may have to download the GMP library at the time of filming this video. My C++ code supports 5 different compilers on Windows: Intel ICX-CL, Microsoft CL, CUDA MVCC, GNU G++, LLVM Clang++ compiler. On Windows platform, all 5 compilers should support my library. I will fold it up. Here include GMP library.hpp. I will make the font bigger using namespace GMP precision quadruple void test transpose Jacobian metric tensor GMP display function name int main GMP display compiler info semicolon. We will call this function in the function main. Now open up your command prompt. This is for Microsoft and CUDA compiler. dir cd 016 metric tensor dir cpp. We are building metric tensor.cpp. cl metric tensor.cpp. fe m.exe scd c++ latest ehsc no logo. Hit enter. It should build successfully, otherwise you haven't set your environment properly. cls m. So C++ compiler, Microsoft C++ CL version blah blah blah, GMP compile time version 6.00, MPFR compile time version 4.3.0, MPC compile time 1.3.2, 1TBB version 2022.2. All these tools should be properly installed on your machine. Now let's try with the Clang compiler. dir cd 016 metric tensor Clang++ metric tensor.cpp or c.exe scd c++23 l gmp l mpfr l mpc l tbb12. Hit enter. cls c. Now let's see. We built using LLVM Clang++ version 20.1.8, GMP compile time version 6.3.0. In case of Microsoft C++ compiler, GMP compile time version is 6.00. So we are using different version. MPFR in case of Clang++, it uses 4.2.2. In case of Microsoft, it is using 4.3.0. In case of Clang++, MPC compile time version is 1.3.1. In case of Microsoft, 1.3.2. Now 1TB version 2022.2. 1TB version 2022.2. So the same version. Now we build with GNU G++, CLS, G. So I'm currently using Genuine C++ version 15.2. Now Intel One API dir CD 016 metric tensor dir ICX CL metric tensor.cpp or i.exe q SED C++23 EHSC no logo hit enter CLS R. So all compiler works successfully. This is Intel One API DP C++C compiler version 2025.2.0. Now here auto display precision SED numeric limits. I will use double. This is 10. SED cout SED set precision display precision SED cout precision display precision. I will put NL const auto by real type const by auto row theta by comba 3. We create 3 composable variables. I will open an image here and one more. I will arrange like this. Ctrl V. Please understand, this is spherical coordinate system, the mathematics convention. The angle theta on xy plane is called azimuthal angle. The angle phi from the z-axis, this angle is called polar angle. R represent distance from the origin to the point. Y is called radial distance. The triplet R, theta, phi, the order does matter. The order of this triplet does matter. Now compare it. The physics convention. Angle phi on xy plane is called azimuthal angle. The angle theta from the z-axis, it is called polar angle. The symbol R represent radial distance from the origin. This triplet radial distance R, then polar angle theta, then azimuthal angle phi on xy plane. So R, theta, phi. In this triplet, the order of parameter R, theta, phi does matter. Now, in the mathematics convention, the order R, radial distance, theta, azimuthal angle theta, phi, the polar angle phi, R, radial distance, theta, azimuthal angle phi, polar angle phi. Now in this case, R, radial distance, theta, polar angle theta, polar angle, phi azimuthal angle. In case of physics convention, R, theta, phi forms right-hand coordinate system. The spherical coordinate system, as in physics convention, it forms right-hand coordinate system, as in Cartesian coordinate system. In case of Cartesian coordinate system, x, y, z forms right-hand coordinate system. So, the physics convention, Cartesian coordinate right-hand rule, spherical coordinate system also follows right-hand coordinate system. But in the mass convention, x, y, z forms right-hand coordinate system, but spherical coordinate system are radial angle, theta, azimuthal angle, phi, polar angle forms left-hand coordinate system. The mathematical convention is weird. Cartesian coordinate system follows right-hand coordinate system. Spherical coordinate system follows left-hand coordinate system. If you use the convention in mathematics, vector calculus is all chaos. If you want to understand and solve problems without confusion, you should follow the convention in physics. Both Cartesian coordinate system, spherical coordinate system should align with each other, should match, should agree. Both should follow right-hand coordinate system. But the convention in mathematics, Cartesian coordinate system follows right-hand coordinate system, but spherical coordinate system follows left-hand coordinates. It is chaotic. So, I will not use math convention. Instead, I will stick to the convention in physics. Now, here, rho in symbol, rho, the radial distance, theta, the polar angle, phi, the azimuthal angle. The triplet, rho, theta, phi follows right-hand coordinate system. In the same manner, x, y, z follows right-hand coordinate system. You should not use the convention in mathematics. You should use the physics convention. Now here, all of phi make tensor rho times GMM sine theta times GMM cosine phi. Copy this, paste, then sine phi, copy, paste, then cosine theta. So it represents x-axis component, then y-axis component, then z-axis component. So this is spherical to Cartesian transform. Also, this is rank 1 tensor or 3 vector. Now, I will give short explanation. Rho, theta, phi are composable variables. GMM, sine, GMM, cosine are operable variables. These are very special variables and functions. This is operable functions. I will close this document. Or L value reference B0, B1, B2 from vector B, copy, paste it here. This is not good enough. We need data member. I will build once again. Okay, it built. We are extracting X, Y, Z components of V. Now we create Jacobian of V. Or JV make tensor 3 by 3 DRC. We need here EMM underscore rho underscore theta underscore phi semicolon. I will arrange like this. Now scroll down. Here we take derivative to the first component of vector V. This is derivative, partial derivative over V0 with respect to rho. Now DRC underscore theta times V0. This represents partial derivative of V0 with respect to theta. Now DRC underscore phi times V0. Now copy, paste. I will align like this. Remove trailing comma, semicolon. Now V1, 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 V2, V2, V2. This is Jacobian of vector V. This is 3 by 3 matrix. Now transpose of Jacobian J B O V. So, or I would say J T transpose J B. Now we will build to double check it built successfully. Now metric tensor of B or Gij metric tensor V up to this point. V is rank 1 tensor or 3 vector because it takes 3 independent parameters or variables. All members are functions, 3-dimensional vector whose elements are all functions. Now, Jacobian matrix, 3 by 3 Jacobian matrix. All members are still functions. JB transpose of Jacobian. Gij metric tensor of vector V. Now we can display like this: SCD, Cout, V, V, and there. I will copy, paste. This is JB, JB. This is JT, JT. Copy, paste. Gij, Gij. Now I will arrange like this. I will remove blank space. With this, we can use any compiler. CLS G. What the fuck is this? See, we defined V. Thus display the result is angle bracket 3, angle bracketed 3, angle bracketed 3. It means vector V has 3 elements. 1 element, 2 elements, 3 elements. Each element takes 3 independent variables. Now, here, JB, Jacobian, JB, 1, 2, 3, 3 columns. 1, 2, 3, 3 rows, 3 by 3 matrix. Each is taking 3 independent variables. Now JT transposed. Now Gij also 3 by 3 matrix. These are all lambda functions. Because we provided composable variables to operable functions. All these are functions. I will remove blank space like this. Then auto ARGs, Rn. Rn stands for real numbers. Make ARGs 1 Rn 5 over 6 5 over 4. Here 1 Rn is for the value rho, 5 over 6 is the value for theta, 5 over 4 is the value for phi. I say values for rho, theta, phi respectively. Now SED, Cout, phi. Here I will display SED, Cout, rho, theta, phi, ARGs, Rn, and L. So we displayed the values of ARGs, Rn, rho, theta, phi. Then here evaluate vector v with ARGs, Rn, and L. Copy, paste, paste, paste. Then it's Jacobian, then Jacobian transpose, Jacobian transpose, then metric tensor, metric tensor. I will make them aligned. With this, I will use Intel compiler. You can use any compiler. CLS I. So rho theta phi is this value. V x component, y component, z component. Then Jacobian matrix. Then Jacobian matrix transpose 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 5, 0, 8, 6, 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 5, 0, 8, 6, transposed. Jacobian matrix is transposed. Then Gij, the matrix tensor. Please take note. This is metric tensor. Scroll up. We defined 3 composable variables. Then, using composable variables and operable functions. This is type agnostic or type neutral. Also, here we extracted elements of vector v or rank 1 tensor. We differentiated. This Jacobian matrix is type agnostic or type neutral. Also, transpose of Jacobian matrix. Also, transpose of Jacobian matrix is type neutral or agnostic. Metric tensor of V rank 2 or 3 by 3 matrix is type agnostic. Up to this point, B Jacobian is transpose metric tensor or abstract mathematical logic. Type agnostic or type neutral. It contains only mathematical logic. Now we provide real numbers as argument underscore ln for real numbers. I used literal 1 ln, so this represents all real numbers. Now I copy this, paste it here. This is C1. Now I change it to Cn. Underscore Cn is literal for complex number of type CPLX num. The GMP, MPC, T, C++ abstraction. So C1. Now we build once again CLS G. So rho theta phi is complex number. RE means real part. IM means imaginary part. Underscore RE means real part. Underscore IM means imaginary part. So this is complex number. Now I will copy this, paste it here. We pass C1, the complex number. Now copy this, paste C2 to Cn. Now imaginary part 3 IM. This is imaginary part. I would change it like this. Then for IM. IM is imaginary part. This should be C2, then C2. I will change to and there, then and there. With this, we build again. I made typo. This is C2. We build again. CLS G. So in this case, when argument is ARGS C1, this is the result. This is the real numbers. This is the complex numbers. I only change it type from real to complex. Imaginary parts are all zero. So, complex result, real result, matches, agrees. Now, I set row theta phi with imaginary parts. Then we have this matrix result. These are very small numbers. We can regard all these numbers as zero. In some cases, you may want to have extreme accuracy. In such case, instead of GMP precision quadruple, use one higher level, that is octuple. Octuple is one higher level than quadruple. With this, we build again. CLS J. Now, extreme accuracy. As I said, my math library is type agnostic, type neutral. My library contains only mathematical logic. As I said in my previous videos, I emphasized many times that once we can create Jacobian matrix, we can solve many problems in vector calculus. Because vector calculus usually deals with orthogonal coordinate system, we are using spherical coordinate system and the Cartesian coordinate system. We are transforming spherical coordinates to Cartesian coordinates. Both are orthogonal coordinate system. In case of orthogonal coordinate system, metric tensor is always diagonal. Metric tensor is always diagonal. But in non-orthogonal coordinate system, metric tensor is not diagonal. So, once we learn metric tensor and we can implement it, we can implement Christoffel symbol, Riemann curvature tensor, and many other tensor operators very easily.
I follow curves where space-time bends. Equations flow, they have no end. Tensors whisper softly aligned, drawing the shape of space and time. Through roots of unity I chase the night. FFT sparks in spectral light. Coefficients sing a cosmic song. I've walked this path alone so long. But space-time calls, it sings to me. Horizons curve infinity. Through dark and void I calculate. My journey waits, it won't abate. Oh, space-time calls, it sings to me. Failure shines a secret sign, a hidden truth in complex time. Energy weaves, momentum streams, gravity dances in spectral dreams. Through every spark, equation, and flame, I carve my